Don got a new toolbox. Fresh off the truck. Where is he at?
Get a little fucking air ratchet.
Man, just fucking pull the drawer out.
Where's the air ratchet, dude?
B1. Got him a brand new toolbox. How much you pay for that toolbox, Don?
$2,000.
For sure. Suckers.
What you got, quarter inch 13?
1/4 inch 15? Yeah, my roll around cart. Don, you gonna sleep with your toolbox tonight?
What?
You gonna sleep with your toolbox tonight?
Yeah.
Ooh. Nah, I changed my mind. I don't want them now.
You know?
Cause I gotta carry that shit up to my truck. I don't want to. They're just gonna make me take it now. Look no further, fella. We found it. Got him a toolbox and a hutch. Right, Dewan? What? Putting this shit on YouTube. Went from that.
Whenever we try to pick this box up, it
Yeah.
opens up on the other side.
I don't care. That's Arturo's fault. Hurry up. I'll take it if you carry it up to my truck.
Huh?
I'll take it if you carry it up to my truck.
It's fucking heavy, dude.
Whatever.